Dear students, today we are going to discuss the concept of the QuickBooks. The QuickBooks is the accounting software that can be used online for the accountants and the bookkeeper. So first of all, the online version, we have to go to the Google and we have to search for the QuickBooks Online. And if you look at there, we have the free trial version for the 30 days. So we just click on that one. So it will just give us a main screen of the QuickBook. So here we will just have two options, either we can buy or we can use a free trial. So we just focus on the free trial. So it is a 30 days free trial version for the students and especially for the newcomers. So we will start with this one. It's a 30 days trial version. So again, here we have three options, like a simple, essentials, and the plus. Obviously it is a free one, so we will use the free trial version for the 30 days, which is the plus, because it has all the basic requirements and all the information that we need to maintain all the information. So we just try on the 30 days free trial version. In the next screen, that what we have to do, we have to give the email address, the first name, the last name, mobile number, and we have to need the password to create a Intuit account. So we just give some of the information about the Gmail. For example, we have now the first name we have, then the second name we have, and the phone number, then we need to give the password. So password we have to give here for the first time because we are creating the new account. So again we are focusing on the password. So the new password is given. So here is the click, either we can want to receive the SMS of the QuickBooks or not. So if we uncheck that one, so we just one more step that we have for this purpose. So we just move to the next screen. So it is instantly see your profits, all the information, how much is the profit, how much is the loss. So it's the basic, all the accounting requirements are there on the tweet. So we have to just wait for some of the time. The new screen is basically where we have to give the basic information about the company. So legal business of the company, for example, if it is the company name like a Farhan and company. Now in the industry, we have to see which type of industry. We just select the manufacturing industry because it has most of the information that what we need. And then the type of the business, it may be a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a private company. So we just focus on the company. It can be changed later on, so we can change if it is needed. So after that, how long is the business, like 1 or 2 years, 3-4 years. So we just select any and then go to the next one. This is the very basic process where we are starting the company. So again, here we have a owner, the bookkeeper, accountant. So we just focus on the owner. So we just click on that, so we will get the information that it is also for the bookkeeper or the accountant. So we have to click on this one also, and then we will go to the next step. So the next step, it will give us information that what type of the QuickBooks we need for the sending invoices, for expenses, for sales tax, for retail sales. So we just click all of them. By clicking all of them, it will give you the information and also the authority to use all of them. And then it is the last step, that is the we have to do it. So it will give us a new interface, which is the main interface for the QuickBooks. So here we have a company name which we have created like a Farhan and Company. It has a different type of the shortcuts are there, like we can add the customer, we can add the estimate, invoices, receive payments. So all the basic information is there, and also we can if we just focus on that one and then see here, we have an option or the tab of the new. If we click on the new tab, we have a different options, like in the suppliers we have invoices, customers, employees, and the others. So we can use any one of them. So most of the information is available here. First of all, in any company, what we need basically the chart of account. So where we have to go, we have to just see there is a information regarding the setting, and in the setting we will see there is a chart of account. The chart of account is already there, but if we want to create a new account, so the new account can also be created. So this is the information that how we can create the new account. So this is the basic setup. Obviously it will take some time. So see your chart of account. So already the chart of account which is available already in the profile. So we have a cash and the balances. So we just create a new account. Now we have two options. Either we can have a new chart of account, or we can import all the chart of account with the balances. We just click on the new one. So here it is giving us information that what type of the account we need. It's a account receivable, current asset, non-current asset, credit card, liabilities, owner, insurance, income, everything. So we just look at the cash and cash equivalent, and we create a new bank account. For example, if it is a MCB-101, it's a new account, and the detail type it may be bank. Then we go the description like account number 1001, and then for the balance we just consider it a 0, because later on we can transfer all the balances of all the accounts. So we just click on the save and close. So it is a new account is created. So we can see by searching here the MCB. So MCB 101 account is there with the 0 balance account is there. So one more thing that is very important here, for all the accounts what we need the account number. So for this purpose we have to go for the accounts and the settings. A new window will pop up, and here we have a sales, expenses, the time, and the advance, the company, the billing, subscription. So all the information is there. So we just focus on the advanced, and then we have a different information, the basic information to set up the company, like first month of the financial year, the first month of the tax year, accounting method, accrual, we have to close the books, we have to yes or no option is there, tax form is there, chart of account, enable the account number. This is what we were looking for, that we have to create every account with the specific account number. So we just switch it on. So we need the account number, and also we want to show that what is the number of the accounts. If we just click on the save button, so it is giving us all the information about the company. So even here the company name is there, the legal name, the business ID, the company type. So all the information is available, and even the contact information. We can add the address also, the communication with the institute. So all the basic information we can set up here. Again, about the billing and the subscription, then the sales, the expenses, the time, the advance. So basic all the information about the company is available here. So we can change this by clicking on anyone, and then we can change according to the requirement. So now here if you see, the currently there is no account number, so we just click on that, and we can go for the edit one. Now we have a account number here is needed. For example, for all the asset, let's see, we start with the 1100 and then 101. So we have created a new account. Actually the account was already there, but we have given the number to that. So that was 100-101. So this number, if we see here in the account, so we can easily see that that account is available in the chart of the account. After saving that, we can see that that chart of account, this new account is available, and that account is available with the specific account name. So we can add any type of the account here, and also we can add the account number. So obviously it is better to have a account with the account number, because every account should have some specific ledger or the account number which we have to use. I hope you have understood the basic concept, and we will do in the next lectures how to create the customers, the invoices, the inventories, and all the other stuff. So hope you will understand that one. Thank you very much.